अभी सीट खिलाएगा क्या? देखो ओ ऑलरेडी डन. Everybody walk slowly. They are only protected birds on the ground.
വീണ്ടും ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞത് ഇങ്ങനെ കാണിക്കാം. അതാ അങ്ങനെ
Italian Monday.
come around. That's like why. Okay. So, how many of you have killed your spiders in your bathroom? Be honest to yourselves. Okay, thank you so much. How many of you have killed this guy outside in the wild? Okay. So, but this here is not a spider. This here is what you call a tarantula. Okay. So tarantula are the world's largest spider species, and they have the ability to get as big as my hand. Okay. Once they get as big as my hand, they eat smaller birds, smaller animals, and in some cases smaller snakes too. Okay? No, he doesn't want to see all of y'all. He's hiding. Okay. Okay, go back. Once you touch, go back. Please go back so that others from front can come. Take it back. Put it back. What this animal is? Where did you see the poster? Okay. Just kidding. Okay. And spinach. They do not eat anything else other than this. Okay. So the main reason they have a very long tail is because any animal that comes to attack them, they use the tail to whip them off. Okay. Third, these might look very ugly and
You guys are done. Move backward. Let the others come first.
okay, but they like eating it. In India, you have only two species of snakes that eat eggs. Nagrao or your cobra. And other than that is the Indian egg-eating snake. Okay? These two are the only snakes of India that like eating eggs. A lot of people say if a snake does not bite anybody, save up venom. After 10 years, it gets a diamond on its head, like Nagmani, like my friend Subhash said, they spit out diamonds and so on. But in reality, it does not happen. Okay? Snakes need to, regulate their venom outside so that their venom glands keep functioning. If they don't use their venom, the venom gland will have a problem. Okay? Or anything they see isn't blue. And these, as warm-blooded animals, are seen in orange and red colors. Okay? 2, 3 are all different species of python. Okay? So we are scaring my snake. Okay, fine. So the ball python and the red-tailed boa will be coming onto your hands. So you will have to open. So you will have to open your hands out. The snake will be kept onto your hand, and you can touch them, hold them, click pictures, but make it quick. Can you see this small claws at the end? Here.
Could you show the side?
Can you see the tiny claws here?
I can do that.
Can you see the tiny claws? Can you see the tiny claws?
Yeah.
And on the end here? Okay, so male snakes have claws like that. Okay, whereas female snakes don't have anything. Okay, it's just plus. For males, the tail is thick and fat. For females, it's thin and long. Okay?
There are bridge in it.